Exactly.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Please take your seats. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Please take your designated seats. Proceed calmly to the exit at the rear of the hall, which leads to our designated muster points, where our safety team will guide you. For fire incidents, remain calm and walk briskly to the muster point. Firefighting equipment, including CO2 extinguishers at all entrances and live water hoses,